So this is what we are going to be expecting for today on our GBP USD. So literally GBP USD is dropping. I want you guys to know that GBP USD is literally selling, right? Due to the fact that USD is literally gaining value. So this is one of the reasons why any pair you are trading against your USD is selling, right? Why? Because USD is gaining value while GBP USD is. Now, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button. You can also follow the Telegram channel also to stay updated. We'll find a link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, this is the movement right here now. See, we can take a look at this to be our low, and here is the lower high. This can also be seen as the lower low. Here is the lower high, right? This can also be seen as the lower low. Here comes the lower high. Now, after this lower high, what should we be expecting next on our GBP? Of course, another lower low. This is one of the reasons why we've taken out this low. So if you are a conservative trader, you would want to wait for your pullback and then another lower low. That is what you should be expecting. Another lower low that will drop. So GBP USD will be giving us a bearish move for the day. So whatever you want to be doing on is be looking for a sell setup. So you can sit right here. It's trending, giving you a series of lower low and lower high, right? So you can just wait for your pullback, which is a lower high, then going for the sell again. So another bearish move for the day, what we are going to be expecting on our GBP USD. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on your, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And also follow the Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.